First dates are exciting. I always loved going on first dates. There's the thrill of getting to know someone, the anxiety of whether you're saying the right thing or not. In the moment, it can be terrifying. But when you look back, those were fun and spontaneous times, especially when you followed the most important first date rules for girls. 1. Expect nothing. Listen, don't expect anything. Don't expect a second date. Don't plan for the future. It's the first date, who honestly knows what's going to happen after. Just focus on having a good time and meeting someone new. If you start planning ahead, you'll lose the moment and experience. It's a date. Have fun. 2. Be the fun you. I know this sounds a little lame, but it's true. This is a date, must I remind you. This isn't a marriage proposal. I know you want to know what he does for a living, where he works, how much he makes. I know. But the first date is all about chemistry. Do you have chemistry? If so, then the second date you can start asking these questions. But for now, keep the conversation light and fun. Talk to him about books, traveling, food, movies, anything else. Literally. 3. Wear what you feel comfortable in. I know everyone will tell you to wear something sexy, but trust me, don't do it. Wear what you feel is sexy and comfortable, not what others say. Why? Because you won't be able to pull it off. You're the sexiest when you're comfortable and relaxed. So, wear what makes you feel good. Don't show up on your first date in a ball gown. 4. Don't be nervous. I know it's easier said than done, but there's really nothing to be nervous about. Now, if you're on a date with Brad Pitt, then I understand. But you're not. So, calm down and focus on relaxing. If the conversation is light and breezy, then you should already be laughing and going with the flow. If you're still nervous halfway through the date, maybe he's not the right match. 5. Do some research on him. Not in a creepy way, but we all have Facebook, right? So, do some light creeping and figure out what kind of guy he is. Does he like sports? Is he into movies? This information can help you out when it's time to pick a place for your date. Also, in case the conversation runs dry, you have some topics up your sleeve.